Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? Today we're diving into the Apple AirTag 4-pack, the ultimate solution for finding anything you misplace. What makes the AirTag stand out is its incredible precision finding. If you have an iPhone with Ultra Wideband technology, it literally guides you with on-screen directions, showing you exactly how many feet away your item is and in what direction. No more frantic searching, just precise, visual guidance straight to your lost belonging. It's like magic. Setting up these little lifesavers couldn't be easier. It's a simple one-tap process with your iPhone. Within seconds, your AirTag is paired and ready to track, making it incredibly user-friendly, even for non-techie folks. And for those everyday spills or unexpected rain showers, you'll love that the AirTag boasts an IP67 water and dust resistance rating. This means it can handle splashes, dust, and even a quick dip, so your tracker stays functional no matter where your adventures take it. Unlike generic Bluetooth trackers, the seamless integration with the Apple Find My network and global tracking capabilities truly set the AirTag apart as the best Bluetooth tracker on the market, making it a smart electronics purchase. Ready to stop losing things and get your own Apple AirTag 4-pack? Click the link in the description below to buy it on Amazon and revolutionize the way you keep track of your valuables.